Bee balm, often called bergamot, is a vibrant herb distinguished by its aromatic leaves and striking crown-like flowers. Celebrated for its antiseptic properties and its ability to attract pollinators, this plant is a garden favorite and a staple in herbal medicine for addressing digestive and respiratory ailments. While commonly referred to as bergamot, bee balm, Monarda species, is distinct from the true bergamot, Citrus bergamia, which belongs to the citrus family and is famed for its role in flavoring Earl Grey tea. These two similarly named plants belong to entirely different botanical families and have unique uses and characteristics. Bee balm, also known as Oswego tea or horse mint, is a perennial herb native to North America, celebrated for its vibrant flowers and medicinal properties. It belongs to the mint family and is popular in both ornamental gardens and natural medicine for its aromatic leaves and attractive blooms. Growth and habitat. Bee balm thrives in full sun to partial shade and prefers moist, well-drained soil. It is commonly found in the eastern United States and Canada, flourishing in meadows, woodlands, and garden landscapes. Identification. The plant features distinctive bright red, purple, orange, or white flowers that appear in dense, rounded clusters atop square stems. Its dark green, lance-shaped leaves emit a fragrant aroma when crushed, similar to a mix of mint and oregano. Harvesting. Leaves can be harvested throughout the growing season for fresh use or drying, ideally before the plant blooms. Flowers should be collected in mid to late summer when they are fully open and vibrant. Edible uses. Bee balm leaves and flowers are edible. The leaves can be used to flavor teas, salads, and sauces, while the flowers make colorful garnishes for desserts and cocktails. Medicinal uses. Bee balm is valued for its range of medicinal applications due to its antiseptic, antifungal, and diaphoretic properties. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any illness, ailment, or disease. I recommend you consult with a healthcare provider who is knowledgeable about complementary herbal medicine prior to trying anything new. Respiratory health. The herb is used in herbal teas to alleviate symptoms of colds and flu, acting as an expectorant to clear congestion and soothe sore throats. Digestive aid. Bee balm can help relieve digestive issues such as bloating and flatulence. It stimulates appetite and aids in overall digestive health. Skin care. Applied topically as a poultice, it treats minor skin infections and irritations, benefiting from its antiseptic properties. Antifungal applications. It can be used to combat fungal infections externally. Fever reduction. As a diaphoretic, it helps reduce fever by promoting sweating, which cools the body and aids in detoxification. Cautions. While bee balm is generally safe for most people, it can cause skin irritation in sensitive individuals, especially when applied topically. Always perform a patch test first. It should be used with caution by pregnant or breastfeeding women due to limited research on its effects in these populations. Bee balm serves not only as a delightful garden addition, but also as a potent herbal remedy. Its applications, from soothing cold symptoms to enhancing digestion, make it a valuable herb in the natural healer's toolkit, merging beauty with health benefits.